Hi guys, welcome to my channel Mitopedia. My name is Mahavir and in this video I will show you how to design business card for your business. Before going ahead, if you guys are new to my channel then don't forget to click the subscribe button down and like and share this video. So without wasting much time, let's start. The app that we will be using to design business card is Canva. It is available on Play Store. You will need email ID or Google login to sign in into this Canva app. And once you sign in, this is how the app will look. Now navigate to marketing section on the top and then click on business card. There are variety of templates available on Canva which you can select. This is the template that we have used. Now let's edit it. I'll change the name over here. I'll give digital guy and let's give a profession or service. Similarly, you can add your contact number. In order to insert the contact number, just click on the plus icon which is available on the bottom left corner. Then navigate under text. There are variety of text formats available. You can select any one of them. I will go with the normal one. Adjust and place the text on the required place. As you guys can see currently, the number is not appearing properly because of the white background which is there on the right side. So let's see how we can change the color of the background. Similarly, we can change the color of other background elements. We can adjust the font size also over here. Also, we can place it properly. This is the one of the designs. Let's design another one. This is the template which I'll be using. I'll edit the name over here. As you guys can see, the name of the company is not appearing properly because of the size. We can reduce the font size over here to adjust it properly. Then let's give the tagline for the company. Now let's enter the services offered by the company. Now let's enter the contact number. We have already given all the details. Now let's change the image which is there on the left side. Select the image and then click on replace and search for the photo that you want. I want photo related to cleaning. There you go, our business card is ready. You can download this business card by clicking the download button on top and save it. Now you can share this business card to your contacts on WhatsApp, Telegram, or on Facebook. Before ending this video, I would like to inform you guys that we are a community and to support this community, we need subscribers. So please click the subscribe button down and like and share this video. Thank you.